Kia ora te whānau, nō mai hoki mai. Now this happens to the best of us. I understand. You probably didn't know about this. You probably haven't seen it. But look, all you got to do is import your MetaMask wallet into Rabby and go to points and see if you've actually got anything. So it's real simple. If you have ever used the swap function, so if we look on the screen and we come to MetaMask, if you've ever used the swap function in MetaMask in any of your wallets, import your wallet into Rabby, because you will get points. Now, as long as you have done this before the 22nd of last month, okay, you will qualify for the airdrop. So if you don't know about airdrops, they can be massive, okay? So they might be small, but they could be massive. The potential is who knows, but you always get pleasantly surprised. So do it, because what do you got to lose? It's free money. Go to your MetaMask, all right? This is just a dummy one, so it's not going to bother me that you see the private key, all right, because I'm never going to use this account. So come to your MetaMask, come to the three dots, come to account details, click on show private key, put in your password. Get your private key, hold it. Okay, copy it, come to this page, and you can do the same with this. You can get, it actually helps if you use this referral code. This is not about me, this is about helping you guys. If you do this, you actually get points, all right? And it unlocks the ability for you to create your own referral code. But that's not the whole point. The whole point is to see if you've qualified for the airdrop, all right? So you can scan that QR code if you want, or you can click on a link in the description or in a pinned comment to go here. Once you get here, this is only if you haven't installed Rabby before, okay? You probably already got it. And if you have got it and you've been using it, you might even qualify for a ton more points for the airdrop, all right? So click on install Rabby, all right? Come here, add it to, I'm using Brave, but you might be using Chrome. Add it to Brave, add the extension, okay? Then it will pop up here in the beginning, so you can click on it and do that. But what I like to do is come to that jigsaw and just pin it. Okay, click it there so it's up here, easy to navigate from there. Click on it, go next, go get started, and import private key. Okay, import by my MetaMask account is just using seed phrase. It doesn't matter which way you do this. Import your private key, all right, for that account. Create a password. Okay, next, pop in your private key there, Control V on your keyboard, confirm. Okay, just call it Meta1. So you know if you're bringing in, if you know you're bringing in multiple MetaMask accounts to check them, because I would check every single one of them. If you've done a swap on your MetaMask account, bring it in here. All right, click on done. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so this is what you've got. All right, this is your, it'll show your address. Okay, current address. Now all you need to do is come down to Rabby points. All right, click on Rabby points. And now what it's going to do is it's going to scan your address and see if you qualify for any of the airdrop qualification points. So I don't in this one because I don't have wallet balance. I've never swapped in MetaMask. I'm not a Rabby active user on this account, all right? And I haven't got the valued user badge, and I never minted the Rabby Desktop Genesis NFT, which I showed 3 months ago in a video, and you should have minted it because you would have got 1,000 points towards this airdrop. All right, so anyway, and then you can, if you can click claim, but you know, there's nothing to claim, right? But if there was something to claim, and if you put a referral code in here, you could still drop mine in there, or whoever else, you know, you want to. You can see it'll give you the tick mark and just go claim. All right, it's gonna bring up this. All right, just sign and create it, confirm. Okay, and that's done. And when you come to Rabby, okay, you come to points. It won't show any here at the moment, but now you can set your own referral code. So if you wanted your referral, you just click on set my code. You know, I'll just call it BetterHumanz. Okay, click on confirm. Okay, done. So now you can give that to people. And the way that you can do this is actually that you can get your link is just if you click on share on X, right? It'll open up Twitter and it will actually give you your link. All right, you can just copy that and then give it to anyone you want. All right, so that's basically how you do it. Now, I've gone into detail in my new community on school, and if you haven't checked it out already, it's growing and it is the best. It's gonna be the best place online to learn everything crypto. I'm gonna create this into an absolute monster. So anyone that's new, even experienced, you're gonna pick up information here. I do daily drops of information. I'm adding more content to the classroom. Come and check it out. All right, it's free to join. Come and check it out. Okay, I'll leave actually the links right here, and you can scan that QR code. All right, and actually you should check out that video. All right, actually don't worry about that video. Just do the QR code. All right. So that's it, and that's what you need to know. Also, if you haven't already grabbed your FIO free Web3 handle, which is at MyCrypto, I'm offering this for free to people. You can grab it for free. So just go to the address. I'll leave a link for all this information in the description and as a pinned comment. But get your FIO handle. It's at MyCrypto. Your name, at MyCrypto. Amazing. FIO's an incredible platform. The Web3, to me, it's the one leading the pace because it actually has usability. So check it out. Have yourself an amazing day. Now don't forget to come down and get yourself in school. Okay? Have an amazing day. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Kia kaha. Stay strong.